Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2017 Range Rover Evoque HSE Dynamic. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior you can see our example here comes with the optional metallic black paintwork. The vehicle being a HSE model means you get the unique front and rear bumpers, the LED daytime running lights, the LED tail lights. You also get the HSE interior styling as well, with the full leather upholstery, fully electric front seats, memory settings on the door cards. You get heated front seats accessible through the centre console area, where your multi-zone climate control functions can also be found. You have the upgraded central display screen where you can access your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth connectivity. The vehicle does also come with the upgraded Meridian sound system. And moving to the rear, you do get 60/40 split folding rear seats. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.